Hello budding artist and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going to draw and tell you all about the character Baldi from Baldi's Basics. Let's get started. In a small town called Baltimore, there was a man named Baldi. He was known for being bald and for being a teacher, camper, and farmer. Baldi was a man of numbers, his passion for math rivaled only by his love for apples. Correct answers brought him joy, while wrong ones seemed to strike a chord deep within him. And woe betide anyone who played his least favorite tape in his presence. It was said that the sound of it could make even the bravest souls quiver in fear. In the world of Baldi's Basics, Baldi takes center stage as the main villain. As the head teacher of the schoolhouse and the super schoolhouse, he presents players with math problems to solve before they can progress. But beneath his seemingly harmless exterior lies a darker side, revealed when players make their first mistake. Baldi's appearance is peculiar, resembling a poorly modeled CGI character with human-like features. He sports a light complexion, long, slender fingers, and a single strand of copper hair atop his head. His attire consists of a green shirt, blue jeans, and light brown shoes. Interestingly, his left elbow differs in color between different versions of the game. During his pursuit of players, Baldi's facial expression remains neutral, lacking the typical signs of anger. However, his image becomes heavily compressed and distorted, likely due to a technique called dithering used to reduce image colors. Despite his lack of visible ears, Baldi's poster boasts of his exceptional hearing abilities. Baldi initially greets players with a friendly demeanor, even offering a shiny quarter as encouragement. However, his attitude quickly shifts when players make mistakes, revealing a more menacing side. His frustration manifests in the repetitive slapping of his ruler, a habit that grows more pronounced as he pursues players, increasing in speed with his anger. Once players collect all the necessary notebooks, Baldi grants them a chance to escape the school, albeit within a tight time limit. As players attempt their getaway, Baldi watches on, amused by their efforts, and chuckles at their attempts. Interestingly, Baldi's favorite color is green, a detail that adds a touch of personality to his character. Baldi, the character from Baldi's Basics, pops up in other games too. He even makes an appearance in Strange Terror from the Deep, where Mistman 12 voices him. There are hints that Baldi might not be great at writing or spelling, like the Bald's bus and the messy spelling room in Baldi's basement. In real life, it's illegal for teachers to hurt students, but in the past, it was normal for teachers to use canes or rulers to punish kids. Baldi seems to think of the school as his own, even though the principal of the thing is technically in charge. And if Baldi catches you without an apple, who knows what he might do? Baldi's character has evolved over time, and there are some interesting facts about him. He has a son and a wife in old comics, but it's unclear if those details are still true. Mistman 12, the creator, has considered making Baldi's last name Baltimore, based on his childhood ideas. Some fun tidbits: Baldi's voice is inspired by Waluigi from Mario games, and there are references to other media in his lines. Plus, there's a funny animation mistake, where Baldi's arm looks like it's breaking when he waves. In the early stages of development, Mistman12, the creator of Baldi's Basics, envisioned Baldi teaching a variety of subjects beyond just math. However, due to time constraints during the metagame jam and a desire to ensure fairness for international players, he ultimately settled on math as the sole subject for the original version. There were plans for a variant of Baldi sporting a camping suit, complete with accompanying plush and action figure, yet these, along with the Arts and Crafters beanie plush, remain unreleased. Initially, Mistman12 claimed Baldi's first internet appearance was in his deleted Baldi comic Twitter. However, upon revisiting his Miiverse archive, he discovered Baldi actually made his debut in a Game and Wario Miiverse sketch post. Despite his voracious appetite and frequent eating habits, Baldi maintains a thin physique. This could suggest he struggles to gain weight or simply possesses a fast metabolism. Among his culinary preferences, vanilla reigns supreme as Baldi's favorite ice cream flavor. He particularly savors the kind served in plastic cups with wooden spoons, commonly found in stores.
Feel free to explore my other videos showcasing various characters and techniques, such as color pencils, watercolors, markers, and watercolor pencils. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos. Bye for now.